How to turn off Facebook Messenger sound. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can turn off your Facebook Messenger sound. So if you want to turn off your Facebook Messenger sound, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to launch the Messenger app on your device and you have to tap on the profile picture which is on the left corner of the screen, or you can see the hamburger option which is on the top left corner of the screen. Just tap on that. Once you are here, you have to go for your setting and scroll down and select your notification and sound. So here you can toggle off the sound option to disable the notification setting for messenger messages here. So you can see that you can toggle it off for 15 minutes, 1 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours, and here you can select your choice like like this and go for the OK option. So after that, you can go back. So if you want to completely turn off your sound in your Facebook Messenger, you have to long press on your Facebook. mm, You have to long press on your Messenger and go for the eye icon on your Android device. And here you can see the notification option. Just toggle it off. So this is the simple step how you can turn off the Facebook Messenger sound. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.